Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Vita meets basic requirements, firmware levels, and the TTS app version. Once confirmed, install the TTS app or plugin and download the voice package you prefer. Make sure the app has storage and audio permissions. Without them, the voices won't save or play. If the app asks for a default voice, pick one now. Starting here prevents permission errors later and sets a clean baseline before you load text or tweak settings. Next, you load the text you want read. Either import a file, paste from the clipboard, or type directly. Once the text is present, select the voice, then adjust speaking rate and pitch, slower for clarity, faster for natural flow. Make sure the output device is correct, then preview a short sample. If you have long passages, set chunk size and pause durations to avoid truncation. These settings control how the Vita processes text, and finally, you export or play the finished audio. Choose MP3 or OGG if you need files, or stream directly to headphones. Save to a known folder and test the full track. If you expect frequent use, make a preset for voice, rate, and chunking to save time. Enable any available batch export to process multiple files automatically. If something goes wrong, try one troubleshooting tip. Retest at a lower rate and smaller chunk size, and re-download the voice package if playback artifacts persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.